Okay, let's try saving it as Excel, but first of all, I'm gonna try and set the working directory to move from the desktop to that data store folder, and I've just done that then, alright? But now I want to save this diamonds to save thing as an Excel file, but I want to save it upper level inside the desktop folder, so not our current working directory. So how would I do that? Alright, so I'm going to use this package, Excel, what is it? Write Excel. Okay, bear with me, I don't think I've got it installed. Yeah, so I had a look and it doesn't look like I've got it installed, so I'm just going to go here and go write Excel. That's the function I wanted. And off it goes. Just installing. And it's done. Okay, so now if I go write Excel, we've got this function write Excel. And let's so what's the path that we want to save it as? Let's save it as diamonds .xlsx. So if I run this, whoops, it's missing something. Ah, yep, I forgot to finish off the quotation. So now if I run that, it's taken its time, but it looks like it's done. So we've got an Excel file. Get rid of that CSV. Oh, no, because I got to open, it's not happy. Yeah, so they look exactly the same. One's got a bold header. So that's the Excel file. So let's go ahead and delete those both. Okay, but the question was, how do we save it back up a directory? And the trick is to go ... So that, I think I've got the, there we go, backslash rather than / or maybe the other way around. So now we can check on the desktop. That's the new Excel workbook that we just saved. All right, let's get rid of those. So that's how you save things up a directory. There is additional arguments to the write Excel function. Format headers true. So if we do that and quickly take a look. Desktop, there it is. So that has formatted the headers. So default is to format the headers. It's not actually quite how I like it, so I like to do it this way here. And I used to use this open xlsx function to write Excel. Let's use this one here. And if we right click now, we should still have the same. No. Let's go. There it is. And I just think you get a bit more control. You notice how it's not bold at the top, but if we want to, there is the option of as table. And in my opinion, this makes it a lot better. I'll let it finish. Yep, so it's done. So this is just booting up the same file. But it's got it formatted as a table, which is really handy if it's already to go. Okay. I actually suspect this function only allows you to save one sheet. Okay, but it's quite fast. If you want to save a multi-sheet version, you have to utilize a different function, still within the OpenXLS package. Okay, and bear with me. I actually have a little shortcut that I use to do this, and that's this. I go with my text expander thing. I go, oh no, that's not it. What is it? If I held down Control backspace, it save an X file, save Excel. So I just go. Okay. So this makes things a whole lot easier. So it creates the workbook. It adds a worksheet, which I just want to call diamonds. And then we write some data, which in this case is that one. And I want to write it to the diamonds sheet. Okay, and then it's going to go ahead and saving that workbook, but we're going to save it like so. And yeah, so if we run these lines, it's gone ahead, produced this one here. And yeah, so it's a filtered table, and we can add multiple sheets to it as well if we wanted to. I'm just going to call this demo. I'll just give it a sec. Yeah, so there we are, 2 sheets. Cool. All right, so that's how we would write to Excel and CSVs. I should also probably add in as well, we don't have to save to Excel and CSV. If we do work on an object, like for example, we could mutate cut equals factor cut. Okay, so now it's, well, actually it already was a factor, but anyway, so if, you know, when we import data, it's not coming through as a factor, like import it from Excel or CSV, we have to recode it as a factor. But if we save it to RDS, so save RDS, diamonds.rds, we should also put those dot dots. What this allows us to do is to new import read RDS. It allows us to import the file, but we could specify, we can call it whatever we want. So it's gone ahead and brought it in, and it's still got the same structure as the R object that it was. So that saves us having to reformat it. Okay, that's that.